Hi, I'm going to show you how to make just a simple slab. Ultimately, the purpose for this is to make one of the small press mold dishes. In this case, it's going to be just a little square instead of one of the rectangles. But I'm going to show you first how to just roll a slab, because you need to be able to roll that a good quality, simple slab before you worry about making anything out of it. So I need to have it on a surface that it's not going to stick to too badly. So I'm going to use this marine vinyl. Those of you in my class, actually, both at home and in class, have one of the vinyl sheets. You should also have rolling guides. So 2 pieces of wood that are the same thickness. These particular ones are 5-gallon paint stirring sticks that are just cut in half. And those are a great thickness for a lot of slab applications. And you can use a regular rolling pin, or in this case, I just have a thick dowel rod. And I want to make sure that my clay is wide enough for my purpose before I start rolling. And so this is the mold I'm using, so I want to make sure it's at least that wide. I can go out a little bit wider if I want to. So I could roll it this way just a smidge, make it a little bit wider, and then flip it. And I need to make sure that the rolling guides are going to be directly underneath the ends of the roller. So don't have them out beyond. Don't have the clay going over top of the rolling guides. And then roll. I apologize for the camera shake. And then you want to flip that over at least once, if not a couple times, because that makes your clay a little bit less likely to warp. You also need to make sure that you've gone down far enough. Like I just pressed this all the way down so I'd get down to the rolling guides, and I can feel that little dip there. So I'm going to roll just a little bit more. Sometimes it's easier to stand up. And I apologize for my camera shake there. Sometimes it's easier to stand up to get a good slab. If your clay is really sticking to your mat, perhaps turn it over and peel the mat from the clay rather than the clay from the mat. So that's how you make that simple slab.